First time to eat in the restaurant again after the closure of the restaurant in here in IKEA.
Uchinos, muy bien. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Ta-da! Bye-bye. Uchinos, muy bien. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Ta-da! Goodbye. Good night. Breathe your blanket. You give the trolley here because almost breaking the glass. Here we go. So we go to hear the clocks. So here we go. The end of the walking. Okay, so here we go. We see the clocks. Excited. Yay. Which one? No or yes? Yes. Excited. Which one? Which one? Furniture. Next. Which one? Let's see this one. Children's IKEA or kitchen? Workspace refrigerator. Okay. Good. That one is walking. Thank you. Ho ho ho! Santa Claus is coming to town. As you can see. Hi guys. Touch here. Matching cards. We're going to do some clocks. Now. No. No. Yes. Correct. No. No. Yay! No. Uh-oh. Keep going. Oops. Try again. Great. Nope. Nope. Yes. Nope. Nope. Good job. Nope. Yes. Excellent. 2 more. Yes. Great. Last one. Winner. Let's check another one. And this is the last one. Touch. Matching pairs. Clocks. Ready, steady, go. Nope. Nope. Yes. Yay. Nope. Oops. 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 Nope. Correct. Correct. Nope. Excellent. Excellent. 2 more. Well done. Last one. That's it. Thank you for matching with pairs. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to Flat Pack. Flat Pack is only for Mr. Bean's IKEA clocks with the analog clocks in IKEA. Hi guys, vending machines. Select, press the select the product. E9. E9. 9. Very good. So, English. So, over here, the new one is put your eyes.
You tap here again.
Tap. Please put your select.
Product
E9. E9.
Oh.
Tap.
Tap.
Ready, steady. Here we are. E9. Good job. There you go. Thank you.